Everything is great, Crane. Now I catch it with the hook. Race. Whoa! Well, finally the long-awaited dump truck is going. Oh, something strange he carries. Loader, come closer. Look what's he doing there. Of course. Whoa, did you see it? The sand of blue color. Whoa, what a news! Well, what is it? You won't believe. The sand came. Well, great. What excited you so much? You too will be excited. The sand of blue color, man. Huh. Can't be. Is it possible? Let's go and see. You're right. It really is blue. I would even say heavenly blue. Well, let's see what it is. Driver, unload. Stay away. Haha. Who has legs? And those who have wheels, drive away. Come on, come on. Here. Well done. Stop. Unload. What an interesting sand. Unload the rest. Whoa, how soft it is. Guys, come closer, everyone. What happened there? Let's go and see. Whoa! I do not believe my headlights. Blue sand? Blue? It can't be. Whoa! Loader, can you see that too? The sand is blue. Whoa! What a day, man. Whoa! I'm surprised. I'm amazed. I'll go get the excavator here. X, are you asleep? Let's go. You won't believe what have just been found. Well, yes. Where did they go? You're an excavator on caterpillars, and you drive slowly. Well, that means let's go. No, I drive. Great. Cyanotic sand. And now the loading. Where's X? Well, what else? Interesting. I'll go and see. Blue sand, man! Am I having a visual deception? Blue! Whoa! Who borrowed me here? Oh, hi. I can see you. Have you ever been to a construction site? You weren't, of course, because you're still so young. You can't go to construction site as a little one. We get a lot of strange blue sand today, and in order to remove it, I need all my friends who work at the construction site. But first, I want to tell you about them. And of the first, I'm gonna tell you that. Hey, you saw him today already. This is a front loader. Look, there he is. Front loader has a large front bucket, and he's very cool to manage. That's how he can move the sand, and also raise it and transport it on different distances. It's a crawler excavator. It moves on its caterpillars and can easily move on rubble. He has a long hand with the bucket. Got sand, turned, and poured all out. Well done, excavator. Dump truck can now get underway. Woof woof. Do you know why dump truck is called dump truck? Because he can unload the cargo himself. Dump truck, show it. Done. That's how easy the dump truck is unloading. And there's one more employee who I have at the construction site. This is the brother of our excavator, but now it is a wheeled excavator. This excavator has the same big bucket as his brother. It's just that he still has wheels and in front a small dump. There are a lot of different machinery at the construction site, and I showed you some of them today. There are cranes, concrete mixers, and in the next video I will tell you about them. And now, bye-bye. See you next time in our channel. Hit like and subscribe to our channel.
Oh!
One more time. Hey, hey! What to do? I know. Let's go! Stop! Hello! Hi guys!
We need to call for help.
Uh-oh. Ready? Go! Start. Come on, come on. Yes, yes. Come, come. Go, go. Excellent job. Thank you. You are welcome.
We did it!
It was fun. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, what to do? I know.
Hey! Hey! Hi guys!
Hello.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Come on! Come on!
Ready. Surprise! That's it. Wow! Superb! We did it! Ready? Start! Wow! Come, come! Go, go! Excellent job! Yes, yes! Wow! That's it!
Yes, yes! Wonderful!
Thank you! Thank you!
You are welcome!
Bye-bye! Good luck!
Bye-bye.